Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to flash your Nokia. This is the model C1-02 in 2025. As you see, I already flashed my phone. Let's take a see if it's work. I have a plenty more here, the phones. And in this case, I will show you how to flash it. Yeah, it's the plus, so it's with the Polish language. I easily write this language for this phone. Okay, so it's done. The battery is full, so I get the new phone. The battery in here. And let's take a ride with the new phone. So first of all, you have to take the flash program, which is named the Nokia Best, or we're gonna choose some the soft. So whatever you like, the soft you get. For me, the Nokia Best is the better flash firmware. And also you have to download RM-643 flash to this phone. You have to put the flash from this list, and the program will automatically choose the flash for your phone. Next, we have to check the dead phone here. Yep, to check it. Now, enter your battery here. We have to plug in the USB cable and hit the power button once. If not, we're gonna repeat the procedure. Cable, press 1 power, and as you see, it's been flashing right now. Yeah, as you see, it's flashing. So maybe we're gonna show you how it looks like. It's something like that. That's right. Now the phone is flashing, and we have to wait 1.5 minutes about to complete the operation. And after that, the phone will start with the brand new firmware, with the new fresh system, and of course the language which you want to write on your phone. In this case, the ppm file is B in English and Romania in the Polish language. As you see, it's racing. And now we're gonna wait. As you see, we have a plenty phone here to get the flash file, to write the flash file. Yeah, in this case. Yeah, it's been reboot now. Huh? You're gonna see that. Yeah. Phone is reboot. Everything goes well, I think. So let's take the phone in your hand, remove the battery, put it one place, and try to start. And it's gonna be easily way to start the phone with the brand firmware with the plus option. Yeah, so it has a new firmware on it. So everything is done. Yeah? So that's all for now. This is end of video, but if you want, I will show you in the next background video. I'm gonna write all this phone also too, with the firmware in the same way. So if you like it, you can stay and see how it's gonna work with the same way to flash with the dead phone, and in the same way with the USB cable. And as you see, it's been working 2025. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!